Today we're going to show you how to find research done at the University of Johannesburg through the Institutional Repository. The University of Johannesburg Institutional Repository, UJIR, is an open access repository that aims to collect, preserve, showcase the research output produced, affiliated or owned by the University of Johannesburg for global audience. The Institutional Repository contains research outputs which are journal articles, conference proceedings, books and book chapters, and also electronic theses and dissertations. To find the research done at the University of Johannesburg through the IR, first you need to go to the UJ Library webpage and click the UJ Research Output tab. You will then be redirected to the UJIR site where you can start navigating the site. Please note you do not need to sign in. You can easily search in the portal using the main search bar in the home page or expanding the search bar in the header. Type one or more words that you are looking for and select the magnifying glass icon. The portal is a search one, find all, and you can search for titles, subjects, creators or contributors, or even the abstract. You can also use different search scopes, which are ETDs, open access, and research units. By clicking ETDs, it will show you all the electronic thesis and dissertation. By clicking open access, you will find all the research outputs, which are journal articles, conference proceedings, books, and book chapters. By clicking research units, you will see all the different faculties and departments. You can search using the search phrase. To search for the exact phrase, type quotation marks around the phrase. You can combine both words and phrases in your search. For example, to search for creator Monyanga as one term in the search box, you will see the results below. Another example, you can search using the title. For example, applying human-centered design principles to South African ballot design to mitigate challenges to free and fair election as one term in the search box, and you will see the results as below. You can also use refined results. You can also refine your search results on the left side of your results by using authors, sort by, contributors, subjects, etc. The advanced search page shows as shown below. Search for, it defines the search scope. Search filters. A query in the advanced search contains three parts. The field. Select the field to search on, for example, creators. Search type. Defines whether the search results should search the exact term, for example, water, or words containing search term, for example, watermelon. Search term, the actual search term, which is the free text. Add a new line. You can add another search query and define the relationship and or not between the queries. Research type. Filter on a specific resource type, for example, journal article, datasets, etc. Date filter. You can select a date or date range to narrow down your search results. In the top left corner, you will see the logo of your institution. Select the logo at any time to return to the home page. There you have it. Remember, if you ever need help, your library staff is always there to assist you. Thanks for watching and the best of luck in your academic journey.
The University of Johannesburg, the future reimagined.